I might have a problem. I have all the Milwaukee things. Well, I don't have all the Milwaukee things. I just have many of the Milwaukee things. And I chose the M12 variants because this was my first Milwaukee tool here. This is a rivet gun, and I use it for this shiny thing behind me here, and helping people with their shiny thing quite a bit too. Placing rivets and things like that, and doing upgrades and fun stuff to these trailers. But I got the M12 battery for this, so I went and replaced my previous power tools that needed replacing anyway with the same M12 battery because I could have an interchangeable battery. I have done a number of bigger jobs where I was cutting something with a hacksaw here, and I went through 3 or 4 batteries before I could get through something pretty small. I've been cutting wood with my multi-tool here and had to replace the battery because the job lasted longer than the battery did. My impact driver and my standard drill gun, there's been a number of times where my battery has died sooner than I anticipated. So I have looked to replace these batteries, my M12 batteries, with some bigger M12 variants. A lot of people get the M18 Milwaukee series, which I think is fantastic too, but I like the smaller stature of these. They fit nicer into my little cases that I have. And I'm not doing this type of work day in and day out in a shop somewhere. It's just on occasion for me. So I really didn't think I needed the bigger battery. But there have been a few times where I did need a bigger battery, and that's where my friends at Bonacell just came in. They reached out to me some time ago and said, do you have a battery problem of any sort on any of the devices you use? And I said, well, I have some Milwaukee M12 batteries. They said, well, we'd like to send you some of these to test out our battery. And they sent me these 9 amp hour, 2 9 amp hour batteries. 12-volt lithium batteries. They've replaced the M12 battery as an option. These two on Amazon right now are not far off the cost of one of these on Amazon. So they sent me these 2 batteries to test out. Now, I charged them both when they arrived just to make sure that they were fully charged. Just a few days ago, I grabbed my drill gun, put it in my drill gun, and we drilled out about 30 or 40 rivets on an Airstream, doing some panel work and things like that. Then we got my rivet gun here, replaced all those same rivets with this gun. Then I used my drill again. I run my stabilizer jacks up and down with this drill. So I've done them up and down, I don't know, 15 times probably, up and down cycles. And I was cutting some wood the other night with my multi-tool here with a little blade back and forth because I did a project on the side of the trailer over here where I put a new inlet valve for my black tank. And we had to cut out the metal with a nibbler. And then I had to go inside the trailer and cut a little piece of wood out of my back and my closet there so the pipes wouldn't hit the back when I put that inside. This battery has done every bit of that, and it still has 3 full bars. So I've been very impressed with the longevity. I've been very impressed with the power coming out of this battery and all the things I've done, because if I'd used one of my other batteries from Milwaukee, again, not bashing Milwaukee, they're small and I knew they were not going to last as long, but this one battery has lasted through all of that, and I'm very impressed with that setup. It's a little heavier than the current battery, but not by much, so it doesn't add a tremendous amount of weight to your battery. They're cheap enough to get, and I've been very impressed with the performance. So if you are looking for an M12 battery replacement or a battery upgrade, this may be an option for you. All right, I'm going to go see what else I can get into and test out this battery even more. If you're looking for an upgrade, please check out the links down below. I'm very grateful for the company for sending this out to me to let me test it out and see what it's all about. I do like it very much. It's one thing that I very much appreciate in this arena here. So if you have tools, if it's something you use quite often, and you've ever been frustrated with your small M12 batteries, this may be an option for you to upgrade. Thanks for joining, everybody. Hope you have a wonderful day. Happy adventures.